traders, I'm Lucy. I have been trading for 5 years and my win rate is 88.6%. And one of my channel subscribers recently asked me, Lucy, you already have a lot of experience and a solid balance sheet, but how can I start making money with the binary options if I'm just starting out? I don't have enough money in my balance to trading big, besides I can afford risk like yours. And guys, today I'm really going to show you this simple strategy. This is really perfect for beginners, and all you'll need to do is just $10 and we'll start our trading session. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let's go, guys. As you can see, I only have $10 in my balance, and in fact I plan to turn that $10 in a list $100 bill today. And you and I are working on the Quadex platform, and today I'm going to use my favorite RSI indicators with default setting because it will be enough, and I will combine it with the calculator channel and I will change the setting for it, of course. I want to change the period to 17. This will allow us to better see the entry points. Well, let's move on to the second currency pair. And guys, I see an awesome situation on this currency pair. The price is near the support level. We can see from the RSI indicator that the price has pushed back from the serum max. So my first trade will be up here. Well guys, how can you congratulate me if this is the first profit I have made? As you can see, I managed to anticipate on awesome entry points thanks to my technical analysis. And let's find some more great entry points. Let's move on to the third currency pair, American dollars and Australian dollars. And yes, here again, I want to mention the excellent support level that the price has reached, and I want to open a trade up as well and carry this move up. Let's go. Another profit. As you can see, I've once again managed to anticipate an awesome entry points, and in addition, we can note that the price has reached the lowest line of the calculator channel, and this is why my trades was up here. So as you can see, my balance is getting bigger and bigger with each step, and I have the intention of stopping. By the way guys, what's your favorite indication combination? Please share in the comments. Let's move on to the first currency pair. And guys, on this currency pair, we see an equally awesome situation. We can notice an uptrend on this currency pair, but I think price will start a small correction. And so the $30 trend is down. Chug along. And guys, that's an awesome entry point. As you can see, I managed to catch that movement again. Well, you will agree this is quite nice that you can make a profit on binary options in just a minute. And it helps us with that really the strategy for beginners. Let's move on to the first currency pair. And on this currency pair, I see an awesome entry point. I think the price will continue its upward movement to about this level. So $50, and I think we can try to open the trend down. This is where the resistance level is located. Trade down. Let's go. And guys, awesome entry points. As you can see, we can also note that the price has touched the upper line of the calendar channel. That's why my movement has been down here. By the way guys, I want to remind you again about my Telegram channel. You can find a link to it in descriptions of this video. There you can find a lot of useful information about trading, binary options, and all I need is to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in this information. Well, we continue our trading session. Let's move on to the euro dollars and see what is happening here. What can we observe on this currency pair? And you know, there's an equally nice situation here. I want to get this move as price has pushed back to the upper lines of the Kaltner channel. Trade down. Let's go. And guys, another after points, and as you can see, once again I managed to anticipate. You may notice that I haven't had a single losing trade, all because I analyzed charts very careful. You'll agree, and it's also all thanks to our beginners strategy. Again, you have price pushing away from the upper lines of the Kaltner channel. That's why my trade was down here. And let's find some more entry points. I want to switch to the Australian dollars and the American dollars. And here we can notice quite a strong movement and an uptrend. I want to delete this currency pair as it is very difficult to analyze it. Let's move on to this one. Guys, I see a good situation on this currency pair as well. I want to tell you that is we draw a visual line. We can see there's a price that is support level. That's why I want to invest $170 here. Trade up. And one more points of entry. And guys, let me show you the support level that I told you about so that you understand everything perfectly. We connect these minimum points. We can note that this is the third time the price has reached this level, and of course it will continue its upward movement there in uptrend on this currency pair. We can also notice by the RSI indicator that the price has reached the certain mark, and the price starts is upward movement, and by the Kaltner channel indicator we can see that the price has touched the lower level. That's why my trade was up here. Yeah, you gotta admit, it's great. I already have almost $400 on my balance, and I want to add some currency pair to analyze them, and I show you slightly different situations. Let it be the New Zealand and Canadian dollars, and one other currency pair with the Indian rupee. I want to switch to the New Zealand dollars and the Canadian dollars. And yes guys, look at this strong bullish movement, but I think the price will continue its downward movement in the next minutes as it is at the resistance level and trade down chess. Yes guys, I am back in the black. As you can see, we can replace by the RSI indicator the price started the 70 mark again. That's why my trade was here. I would also like to point out that a very small resistance level has formed here. That's why I opened a trade down here. Let's find another points on the American dollars and the Indian rupee. Guys, on this currency pair I can see the introduced situation. As you can see, the price has reached the resistance level, started this downward movement, and I want to get this movement, so $650 trade down. Let's go. And guys, you can congratulate me. $1,000 is my balance, and let me show you why right now, explaining why I opened a tarot here. Now let me draw you a resistance level that the price has reached. As you can see, it's used to be a small support level, but now it's a resistance level. That's why my trade was down here. We can also see from the RSI indicator that the price has reached the 70 mark, and that's why I decided to try and tap this level. I was very confident about these entry points, so as usual I opened my full deposit to of course accelerate my deposit faster. Well, I want to again to the first currency pair, and on this currency pair I see an awesome situation again. Let's not waste any time. $1,000 of my investment and trade down. Let's go. Well, guys, as you can see, I managed to get my profit in just a minute, and you must agree it was quite a risky trade at the price immediately after the trend plot started its upward movement, but I still managed to get this movement and I'm in profit. My balance is already $2,000 and I believe that the price will continue its downward movement as there is quite a strong resistance level here, which the price has already reached several times. We might notice. I don't think this level will be broken, and but let's move on to the euro and USD dollars and see what's again in here. And yes, again we see this price continues so trade flat, and I think price will continue its downward movement. So trade down. Let's go. So guys, another entry points. As you can see, my balance is increasing every time. Yes, as you can see, price has pushed of the upper lines at the Keltner channel, which is where my move was down here. I would also like to point out that the price touched the resistance level, which is why the trade was here. Well, I think we'll open another trade with you, and this will be enough. I think everyone has figured out how this strategy works for beginners. It's really easy, and yeah, you can really only make as little as $10 on Codex. This is the minimum amount you can deposit on Codex. I see a level of support here. That's why $1,000 again and trade that. Let's go. And yes, guys, I'm back in the black. As you can see, my balance is $4,048. And let me explain to you again in detail why I opened here. First of all, we see here a rather strong support level, which our price has reached for the second time. It was previously a resistance level. Please note this level was then broken, and now the price is back to this level again. We can also notice this is has now reached the lowest line of the scalper channel. That's why my trade was here, and by the indicator we can also notice that the price is near the 30 marks. Well, guys, I think we made a really good amount of money from just $10 on the Codex. I have been to you that you can make a serious amount of money on Codex for as little as $10. I thank you, and I can stop now. And again, I will remind you, in my Telegram channel you can find the link to it's in the description of this video. In my Telegram channel you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options, as well as absolutely free trading signal, and all you need to do is just follow the link and join. I wish you all a good day and profit to all. Bye bye.